National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Bell County and Central Texas until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Temple, moving north at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Temple around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Heidenheimer and Woodland. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 291 and 306. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.